ads. Okay, so first thing is how I will just show you what is like how we can set up the campaign. So here you have to log into your new Google Ads and do this. Select the new campaign. Select the campaign type. Okay, now it's an app campaign. So in the app campaign, what is your goal? Okay, campaign subtype, that is the app install or app engagement. So first I will be showing in this video is about the app install campaign. Okay, so Android, why I'm writing the name Android here is because if I have an iOS campaign, so I will write here iOS. So for example, now I'm writing here Android. Again, my target location will be only Mumbai. If it's my location is only for campaign is only for Mumbai, so I'm just typing here Mumbai, and this is a campaign. Okay, language you can select if you are in India, so select Hindi, English both. Okay, and budget. For example, I'm just keeping here this. What do you want to focus? So this is very important part, this budget, bidding. In the app campaigns or any campaign of the ads, so paid marketing app, the campaign setting is very important. So what it is saying, what do you want to focus on? It's like install volume or it will be an in-app action. So since we have selected the app install as our objective, so it is showing us the install volume. Here all users, okay, so you can write. So in India, cost per acquisition or cost per install, we get around 15, bit under 20 or under 15 only. So I'm keeping here the target cost per install as 15 for now. Mention the end date, whatever date you want to enter, and just save next. Okay. So now this is my campaign for urban company and this is for spa, for example. Just I'm just giving the category, okay, or beauty I will say, because in urban company you have a different category, so I'm just focused on beauty, for example. So I will be here in the ad assets. What you get here is the headline, descriptions, and image and video and HTML file. So what you can do is like this, five up to five headline you have to provide, and which is of the 30 character limits, and description is also up to 5, which is of the 90 character. So and here it takes as a permutation combination happens over here is like what any always make sure that you use a CTA in your description. Okay, so what is happening over here, it is very important to understand here in the headline and description. The Google, what does the Google do, what does the Google do over here is that it can take any of the headline, okay, and it can combine with the any of the description, or it will take only the headline sometimes, looking at the ad inventory space, and it will show your ads. So over here you can see download the beauty app. Okay, now download the beauty app. So it has taken only this headline. So get the home service of vaccine and bridal. So it has taken this description only. Sometimes it can be the two description together. It can like this is how it works. So it is the Google App campaign is automated campaign. It runs on the machine learning. So there is no other targeting as specific like what we have in the search campaigns like keyword. So there is no keyword targeting in this app campaign. Here it's completely based upon your ad assets and your users history, browsing history, okay, and what kind of a searches they are doing on their mobile, on their devices. Then you have to put up to here they have said up to 20. So even if you have 5 6 images, then it's okay, you can upload. Even if you don't have the images, still you can go with the campaign, because what happens in the Google, it takes the images from your Play Store app. Okay, now save. See, even if I'm not putting any images or video, what was mentioned in the ad asset, still it has approved. It has continued my ad, and my campaign is good to go. So this is my campaign. I will just show you. my ad group is unable, here I will see the cost, in-app action or everything. Okay, whatever the impressions it will get. The target CPA that I have put in. Okay, so this is the one of the easiest method how you can create your app campaign. In the next tutorial, I will show the very important part of the conversions, that is we get from the from here for the app campaign conversion. So stay tuned to my video and my channel, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.